Hello, my name's Judith Gonzalez, and today I will be performing the Atomic Emissions and Flame Test lab. First and foremost, for this lab, we do need to use goggles and gloves for safety. For the first activity, I will be using this spectroscope, and I have to look at a fluorescent light bulb and record the three strongest spectrum lines, the color and scale position of them, onto data table number 1, which is provided in our lab handout. And then I have to pick 2 additional light sources and do the same for that and record onto the table, and include whether they are continuous or line spectrums. And that's pretty much it for activity number 1. For activity number 2, which is the spectroscope calibration activity, I have to copy the spectrum line, color, and number of all 3 spectrum lines from the fluorescent light bulb onto data table number 2 and include each line's wavelength. Excuse me. After that, I'm gonna create a scatter plot with Excel, and using the light's wavelength on the y-axis and the scope position as the x-axis, and create a trend line for the scatter plot, setting the y-intercept to 0 and record it onto table number 2. And that's pretty much it for number 2. For activity number 3, we're going to be conducting the flame test for the metal ions in a dark space. So for that, I am going to use the forceps and grab a piece of the flame test stick, and I'm going to, this cup will have water, and I'm going to dip it into the water, and then I will carefully put it over the SternOCAN's flame, which it will already be lit. Carefully put it over that, and it's going to reveal the unique flame color for that metal ion. And then I will do the exact same for all the sticks on here, which are the lithium chloride, sodium chloride, and copper chloride, and a mystery ion as well. So I'm gonna record what I'm seeing on table number 3. I have to take a picture of the flame as well, and I'm gonna look at each flame through the spectrometer, and record all of that information onto data table number 3. So here we go.